Okay, so I thought I'd take a quick look here at where we're at. We've already covered kind of some of the stand, but if you guys have advice on some of this, it'd be good. This is where I'm currently at as far as the actual electronics cabinet. I've got, of course, the Apex controller and my tunes controller there. I've also got on my Apex controller, and see there, then the Fusion dashboard as well. So that's what I've got there. The wires themselves then go down, you'll see here, and if we move out, you'll be able to see underneath the cabinet. What we're doing here is I bring those wires through and across, and those are going to be actually our where the sump is on the other side. This is where this is going to roll. So with that, you'll see that I have this with hopefully some good drip loops here, and then that heads up to the top cabinet where I've got the main Energy Bar 8 as well as my wireless connector to get Apex back to my router. So that way then I can actually connect any of this gear where it needs to be. So we've got, like I said, opportunity to go down to the bottom and then up, actually through the case as well. You can see there through the top. So that's where I'm at with the electronics. I'd like to get any feedback that you have there. As I continue the next steps, my plan is to actually have my auto top off there, and then the sump will be in this area. So in the next videos, I'll be planning to put out some information on my sump, and would love to get feedback on that. Anyway, thank you again for any feedback you guys have, and appreciate your help.